A, there's a new membership box if you look at the mailbox. B, Winterfest is gonna arrive tomorrow or day after tomorrow. C, what will happen is you guys will see that a new mythical epic will be dropping out in Prodigy.
It is the month of December in the real world and also in Prodigy. Yes, you've heard that right, it is December, so obviously there are a few things that you can expect. A, there's a new membership box if you look at the mailbox. B, Winterfest is gonna arrive tomorrow or day after tomorrow. C, what will happen is you guys will see that a new mythical epic will be dropping out in Prodigy. Well, anyways, in today's video we're here to cover one of these things, and the one thing which we're here to cover is the exclamation mark over our mailbox, right? See over here, it says your December membership box is here, and if you look at it, it seems like we're getting ourselves a Shivertusk buddy, a Browl morph marble, some ears, some, what do you call it, chicken I believe, and I honestly do not remember what that's called, but it's basically like air hockey table. Okay, yes, that's what it is. Alright, so it seems like we got ourselves a Shivertusk mask. Okay, that is a mask and not a buddy. That is interesting. It seems like we got ourselves a hockey ring. Wait, hold on. Like an entire ring which you can like put in your house. Is that what they're saying? Okay, first of all, we need to check out this mask. Let's see how it looks on our character. Over here, as you can see, if we scroll all the way down here, all the way down. Okay, now that we're all the way down over here, you can see it says Shivertusk mask, and it says Shivertusks are large and tough, and this mask is made to look like one, and it's gifted from a membership box. Not only that, but it has a hardness of 6, which isn't too bad, I guess you could say, although it's not too good compared to the other items. It's mediocre and joker at best. Right, as you guys can see, it says it's made to look like a Shivertusk. I don't know, it looks kind of creepy walking around with this on your head. Everyone's gonna be like, have you heard about the guy who killed a Shivertusk? He killed a Shivertusk? Alright. Right, let's quickly check our pet book over here and see how the Shivertusk is doing. Okay, so it does look like a Shivertusk, except more of the face is visible, and maybe its trunk is smaller. Yeah, its nose is smaller, whatever you call it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they call it the trunk of elephants, right? Yeah. Okay, right, so you guys can see that's what's been going on in Prodigy. Basically, they've added a Shivertusk. Alright, guys, it seems to be the ice skating ring, which became available, right? So now you might be wondering, well, where would we find this ice skating ring? Well, obviously it would be in the teddy bear section of the shop, and on the very end over here, as you can see, this one number thing is not the ice skating ring. What's in the, okay, yes, over here, this on the other hand seems to be the ice skating ring, although if I'm not gonna lie, that does not look like a skating ring, that just looks like a air hockey ring, air hockey table, I'd say. You guys see what I mean? It doesn't, yeah, if you expect Prodigy players to ice skate on it, well then, is there some sort of weird shrinking device in Prodigy which makes your wizards like a trillion times smaller than they are? Because if there's not a device which makes the wizard like a trillion times smaller than what they are, there's no way they're gonna fit on that skating ring. That's all I'm saying, right? You guys can see the skating ring over here is a little bit lame, I'd say. You know, just a tiny little bit, yeah. And not only that, right, so you guys can see Prodigy has done that, and back to the video. Shivertusk, and another thing which you must have noticed by the time I opened my pet book is that this owl is still in our pet book, right? It hasn't gone away, it's just renewed. It was at 1 day previously, and now it's back to, congratulations, you have 62 days to catch this pet. And I'm like, what? But weren't you saying we had like 1 day remaining to catch this pet? So it seems like if we go over the time limit for catching a pet, it may renew, like in this case, right? It just completely renewed. We can still get ourselves the same mythical epic. Yeah, all you have to do is you just have to go around hunting for it, and you will be able to find the mythical epic, which is quite cool if you guys ask me. We can just go around and be like, Hasha, and we can be like, Wapow, okay, that is quite nice. We found ourselves a pet, and now let's delete it. So that is something that's been going along in Prodigy, and as many of you know, it is the 1st of December. And because it's the 1st of December, you all know what that means. That means Winterfest is probably coming tomorrow, and the arena is probably coming to an end. Okay, the arena is not coming to an end. The mythical epic will last longer than the arena. Or will the arena last longer? I don't know. I didn't check thoroughly. But anyways, you guys can see there's still 61 days until the arena ends, or 1/5 of the year is still remaining, or approximately 20% of the year is still there for you to get yourself all of the items over here, right? Now, unfortunately, there are only 61 days left, so you cannot do one battle a day and make it to the end. You have to do a couple thousand battles a day, but it's not that bad, I'd say, right? Yeah, you guys can see that's all that's been going on around right now, and it's odd. Wait, something odd just happened with the membership box. We didn't get sent any magical snowflake. I just realized it's time for Springfest and they didn't send us any magical snowflake whatsoever. But that's like the main indication of a festival. What's going on? What's in the world is going on? Prodigy hasn't sent us any indication of whether or not Winterfest will be coming. I mean, logic dictates that it should be here in November, but I don't know what Prodigy's thinking. Maybe they're like, you know what, let's not give it to them. Nah, no Winterfest for you. And then, bah, no Winterfest, dun dun dun. Absolute disaster. Anyways, over here you guys can see I'm collecting myself a nice, wonderful chair. Alright, that's not the best, but okay, let's go see how this birdie is doing.
Okay.
Unfortunately, it seems like my luck has not in today, because it seems like we did not get the sparkly puppy from spinning that wheel, you know, I thought we would. And furthermore, let's check the situation on the Titan, right? As you can see, all of the armor is still there, but let's check on the Titan, let's see how it is doing. Right now, if you look over here, you can see the Titan is currently residing in Firefly Force. Furthermore, it seems that only 20% of the Titan's health is remaining. So if you guys do want, you can join in the battle right now to help delete the rest of the alive Titan, which will basically be like, kapow, boom, you're dead, dude. And because of that, the Titan will be gone in like, yeah, basically the Titan only has 20% of its health remaining. You just need to come in Prodigy, just go kapow boom pow, take up a team formation, do some battles, because the reason I'm recommending this is because the armor here isn't that bad. It's not absolutely terrible. Okay, it is terrible. Okay, maybe the armor here isn't terrible. I don't know if it is. I can't see the bonus. But it looks like it's doing a 6 heart bonus. Maybe I might be wrong. Let's check our inventory. Because if it is, then never mind. The armor actually truly is terrible. No! Look what they did to Mira's hat! No!
Okay, Frankenstein looks like he got some moves. Ah, they butchered it.
And I truly show you guys where this armor is. That's if I could find it with all of these new art changes they've added in game. I mean, I can't even recognize the Titan armor. Where do they expect me to find and wear it? And look what they did to the Duelist helm. One of the best items in game, and they destroyed it like this. Well, what about the Duelist boots? Okay, the Duelist boots seem to have survived, but you guys can see Prodigy's basically been doing a little bit of monkeying around. But yeah, you guys can go ahead and battle the Titan like that. And anyways guys, that's gonna be all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, found it informational. And if you did, please make sure to demolish that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and give this video a humongous thumbs up if you guys haven't already. Thank you for watching, and bye!